Okay, I have a sample program here. Now let's to demonstrate how to create a function with a parameter. Be sure that you have inputted your header or the header of our program, which is they include IOStream. This one include IOStream using namespace std. After we have input our header, now we should put our syntax. Our syntax consists of the return type, the function name, and the parameter. This one void is our return type, input value, which is our function name, and int val1 and int value2 is our parameter. This is how we create a function with a parameter. We should put int value1 and int value2 for our parameter. So I used int for my two value here in our parameter because it is to store a whole number that is enclosed in a parenthesis and an open curly brace. This called our declaration. Parameter act as a variable inside a function. Parameter is specified after function name. This one, function name, inside the parentheses. You can add as many parameters as you want, but just separate them with a comma. Then after we have write our declaration, we are going to write the definition of our program. This one, the cout maximum value number is, we put the first value that we use in our parameter, the value 1, and then cout minimum value number is our value 2 in our parameter. Then we have to enclose it with close curly brace. That is the code that we need to be executed. This is our definition of our program. So we have our declaration, this one, and the definition of our program. Now, in order to execute the variable that we declare in our parameter, we have to pass the value into our function. So we have to write int main, open close parenthesis and open curly brace. Then we have to write our variable inside the parameter of our function, but we have to change it to x and y to be runnable. The variables that we write here, we should also write it here, but we have to change the name value 1 to x and value 2 to y to be executed. Then we have to call our function. We have to write mock input value, then the x and y, which are our variable in our parameter, but don't copy the data type. Don't write the data type. Then we need to type return 0 to see what is the result of our program, and then close curly brace. Now let us see if our program is runnable, that give the value that the users need. So this is our output of our program. the maximum value number is 500 and the minimum value number is 250. So the program that we have to run is correct. That's all. Thank you.